check out more photos like this on my Instagram at Elsa Allred. We'll be making the holder for the colored pencils, and I'll teach you how to make the rainbow eye in PicsArt. For your camera settings, you'll want the lowest possible f-stop that you can use. If you're using your phone, just set it on portrait mode. If you want a picture where your whole upper body is in it, framed by the pencil crayons, hold them closer and you are in the inside backwards. If you want like my photo, just your eye, bring everything closer, focus the camera on your eye.
Go to Sticker, search Rainbow Circle, and I'm using that swirly one there. Bring it to the size of your eye and lower the opacity so that you can see it underneath. Grab that eraser tool and brush away anything you don't need. Next, we're going to blend the edges, so bring down the opacity and the hardness, and slowly and gradually take away the edges. Then bring up the opacity and hardness and take away even more till it fits perfect. Bring up the opacity and just brush away on where your pupil is. Lower the opacity so that it looks somewhat natural.
Now you can go create your own rainbow images, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram.